Welcome to Vipas.AI, where you can explore and utilize a diverse range of AI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to run an app efficiently on Vipas.AI. We'll use the Mosaic Image Generator app as an example. First, navigate to Vipas.AI and log into your account. Click on the Apps option in the top navigation bar. This will redirect you to the AI Apps page, where all available AI applications are listed. On the AI Apps page, you can search for the app using various filters on the left side of the page. Use the following search options. Name, enter Mosaic Image Generator in the search field. Category, filter by category to narrow down the search. Created date and updated date, filter by creation or last update date. Price, set a price range to find apps within your budget. You can sort the apps by most runs, recently created, or recently updated. Additionally, use the search bar at the top of the platform to search for Mosaic Image Generator. Based on your search criteria, a list of apps will be displayed. Find the Mosaic Image Generator app and click the Open button located at the bottom right of the app's card to view more details. Clicking Open will take you to a detailed app page. Here, you will find comprehensive information about the app, including name and ID, the app's name and unique identifier. Description, a detailed description of the app's functionality. Technical specifications, information about the app's technical aspects. File size and details. View file size and other details if made public by the creator. After reviewing the app details, click the Run button located at the top right corner of the page. Next to the Run button, there's an info icon with the following message. Clicking the Run button initiates the app, which internally calls the AI model to generate predictions and visualizations. Please note that upon a successful prediction, your account will be debited according to the app's per prediction price. This feature enables you to see the app in action and utilize its functionality. Review this information carefully, then click Run to execute the app. Upon clicking Run, the app will execute. It will ask you to browse files, i.e. an image to be added. You can even drag and drop. Once you add the image, the app will run and give you a Mosaic-generated image successfully. Once generated, your account will be debited for the successful run based on the app's per prediction price. This is how you can run and explore the Mosaic Image Generator app and other AI applications on Vipas.AI. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.